Yo, what is up, guys? So have you ever been wondering what's the quickest way to get to, let's say, $5,000 per month with YouTube search automation? Let's just say you've tried all the other methods of doing the how-to apps social media niche, and you haven't been able to get to that $5,000 per month mark. Okay, maybe you got to like 900, 1,000, 1,500, but you really want to scale and you want to reach good income numbers. So one way that you can actually do that is with high RPM content. Okay, high RPM just means that you're going to get paid out substantially more per 1,000 views compared to the typical low RPM topics. So let's go over some examples here real quick. So you can see I uploaded this video. It's about Shopify. Okay, so Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can do e-commerce drop shipping and so on and so forth. So you can see it got 4.3k views and earned $128. So if you just quickly go to the revenue tab and scroll down, you can see that the revenue per 1,000 views is actually $30. Now compare that to the average CPM of the social media how-to apps niche, which is like $2 to $3. You can see that you don't really need to have a lot of views in order to stack up a big income. Okay, so $128 from 4.3 thousand views. And here's another example here. 1.8k views earned me $47. Let's check out the RPM on this video. It is $26.03. So you can see a high RPM. So if you can batch produce a whole bunch of these specific high RPM videos, upload them onto your channel, you can really skyrocket your income without having to actually produce a lot of videos, which can cut down costs of outsourcing and everything like that. So you don't really need a lot of videos and you don't really need a lot of views in order to earn a substantial income when it comes to high RPM. Let's take another example. This is about Temu. Okay, Temu coupon codes, 54.6 thousand views, earned me $816. Okay, so that's pretty good. So if you want a monthly income of like $800 to $1,000, you just need like 65,000 views, and then compare that to trying to get millions and millions of views every single month. You can see your life is going to get much easier when it comes to attacking these high RPM topics, because let's just see 100,000 views, you're going to get like $1,600 per month with just 100,000 views. Okay, and that is not so difficult to achieve when it comes to this high RPM stuff. So let's look at the RPM. You can see it's $14.95 this particular video. Okay, and this one, let's just see this. It got 1.6k views and earned $70. Okay, let's go to the revenue tab and you can see the RPM is nice and high at $44. So how can you actually do this yourself and find these particular topics, and how are you going to know that they are actually high RPM topics? Well, there's no actual way to determine if they are high RPM topics. You can use some general understanding about what the advertiser wants to pay per video. Okay, but generally if it's something like Shopify or website building or home-based business or stuff like that, then they're going to be paying a high RPM per video, because the audience that the advertiser advertises to is very targeted. They are more likely to actually purchase the products that they advertise in their YouTube ads. Okay, so that's basically what you can do. I would stick to like websites, Shopify, dropshipping, anything related to dropshipping. Okay, anything related to money is going to give you a high RPM, and you can expect RPMs anywhere from 15 all the way up to $100 per 1,000 views. So I'll give you some examples if you want to try this yourself. So let's open up an incognito window and go to YouTube, and then we can find a topic. Let's just start with Shopify, because that's something that you can tap into right now. Okay, let's go how to Shopify, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put an underscore here, and actually no, how to, and then add, because there's various things to add here. So how to add Shopify pixel to Facebook. Okay, Okay, let's see here. Let's see how to add Shopify payments to Shopify. Okay, that seems like a good topic. This guy earned a lot of money for this video, got 235,000 views. Okay, Shopify payment setup 335k 2 years ago. Okay, this is great. Okay, payment, Shopify payments 30k 3 months. Okay, so that's going to earn the creator a lot of money when it comes to these videos. So how do you actually do this? Well, you will need Shopify, and the nice thing about Shopify is that you can get a free trial of Shopify. So if you just go to Shopify 90-day free trial in Google, I believe you can get a 90 days free trial. Okay, 3 days. Shopify offers a short 3-day initial free trial, but this can be extended into a 90-day free trial by paying $1 per month. Okay, so that's good. You get it for $3, and then you $3, then you pay $1, and here it is. You can just go to shopify.com and you'll get this offer. Start for free, then enjoy for $1 per month for 3 months. So you just enter in your email address there and you start your free trial. Everybody has $3 or $1 to actually start this business model, and then you'll have the Shopify dashboard. Then you can do the search bar method to go over all the search bar topics in order to get these video topics to be able to make these videos. If you want the video on the keyword research tutorial, it's this one right here. How to actually rank your search-based YouTube videos #1. That'll give you the search bar method, which will allow you to find unlimited topics for your search-based videos. Okay, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and watch that. And then another thing is websites. You can do websites. So this is good. If you go to Webflow in Google, you type Webflow, create a custom website. Okay, and the nice thing about this is it's actually free. So you can see there's a lot of free stuff here. Get started, it's free. Okay, if I go to the pricing of Webflow, and this will give you like a website WordPress dashboard where you can explain all these things you're talking about in your YouTube video, and you don't have to pay for it. So it's great. You get the starter plan, which is free. Okay, you can do the Webflow domain, 2 pages, and you'll be able to add WordPress onto your web app hosting. Okay, you'll be able to add WordPress onto there, and you'll be able to do unlimited tutorials. So the nice thing about YouTube, if you go into your analytics, let me just find it here. If you go into your analytics, I did this a long time ago. Okay, if you go here and click on see more, and then you can actually do groups. So if you click on your name there and then click on groups, I was doing high CPM a year or 2 ago, and let's just see here. I did search bar method, Shopify, high CPM videos in 2024. Okay, I was doing high CPM. I did 253 videos. So if we click on this batch, let's just see how much those 253 videos earned me. And I'm going to switch from the last 28 days to lifetime, and let's see how much I earned for these 253 videos, all in the high CPM. So you can see I earned $4,093 for just 253 videos. That can be done in a month to be able to produce like $4,000. And let's see what the average RPM was on these particular videos. So you can see you don't need a lot of videos in order to earn a good amount of money. Just 253 videos for $4,000, which was a pretty good result. Average RPM, because this wasn't crazy high RPM, but the average was 7, and you compare that to my average RPM right now, which is like $2.60 for the search-based social media videos. So that's high RPM. You can really scale your income when it comes to doing high RPM videos. If you want to go deeper on all these types of topics, join the school community in the description down below. It's free. Also join the Telegram community. It's free. Drop a like on this video if it helped you out. Comment anything related to search-based YouTube automation, and I'll see you in the next video.